Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Hey, love you all, and you love us. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a excellent designs. And this video is all about the crochet skirts designs. Crochet skirts ideas are good looking and amazing videos. I using different patterns and different many more attractive designs. More stunning and fabulous videos will look be very pretty designs, and I have shared with you and different designs of different topics, and so elegant, so gorgeous, it's looking like a fantastic videos. Hand skirts are used in different things. Hand skirts with carry, crochet top blouses, and crop tops are different short shorts of crochet related t-shirts are easily carry these designs, carry these amazing videos. I have shared with you, share with newly designs, newly attractive designs. It's amazing, it's gorgeous videos. This is so amazing videos of skirts are using different patterns. We'll be back in this channel, so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the bell for all notification. All subscribers, all new members will just amazing and connected with all YouTube family, with all new subscribers, give more fabulous designs. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So let's go, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.